Hi, welcome back to Moments with Marshai, where we talk about luxury handbags, fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And today we are talking about 7 handbags that retain their value. So before we get into this video, please click on subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. So thank you for that. Now let's get into this list. The first bag on this list is the Jackie by Gucci. It was introduced in 1961. It was worn and made famous by Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, who was the First Lady of the United States. And this bag is absolutely gorgeous. The silhouette is timeless. Tom Ford in 1999 redesigned the bag a little, but it was still very, very popular. In 2009, it was redesigned again. And then in 2020, they bought back the original design. You can find it in the pre-loved market for around $3,800. But this bag is a classic piece. It continues to appreciate in value year over year. And in the last year, the value went up 24%. So people are buying this bag and adding it to their collection. So if you have this one, you are a lucky person. The Chanel Classic Flap has maintained this design since creation. Chanel is known for its artisanship, the materials, the quality, and this bag has really held its value. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's breathtaking. So that's the second one on the list. The third is the Margot by the Row. Now, oversized bags were really in last year, and I think that really helped this one to lift off. I think it had always been, ever since the bag was introduced, it was on the if you know, you know kind of list. But when a lot of us normal folks started buying this bag and investing in this bag, it really did take off. The price on average is 177% of the suggested retail price on the resale market. So take that into consideration. The price increased by about $1,600 from last year to this year on the real. And you can purchase this bag from between $5,300 and $5,700 on that site. So yeah, it is one that is moving people. Like I said, people are really in love with the oversized bag. And the Margot really, I think that was really the launch, the catalyst for a lot of the oversized bags that designers are making now. So the next one we have on the list is the Loewe puzzle tote bag. And I really do like that one, you guys. It sells for about 90% of the retail value. You can get it pre-loved online for about $2,100, as well as the Loewe standard puzzle bag. That one is also retaining its value. So if you see either of those on the resale market, please just grab them up because they are really holding their value very well. Now, this is a bag, a designer that I really haven't talked too much about on this channel. Fendi, the baguette bag. I really like this one too. It is so cute. I love an East-West bag, and this one does not disappoint. It was one of the #1 top searched bags last year. So this Fendi bag is really having a resurgence. Fendi had a show at the beginning of this year, and I won't say they debuted this bag, but they reintroduced the baguette as part of their fashion show. So that I think is also helping with bringing this bag back. It has an average retention value of 113%. So if you have a Fendi baguette in your collection, you are a lucky person. They're going right now for about $3,700. And that's one that I think I'm going to have to add to my wish list because I just love it. The next bag is the Nino by Celine. This bag is priced between $3,300 and $3,700. and it's retained about 91% of its average retail value on the real. And I love a Celine bag because the silhouettes are timeless and they're just gorgeous to me. So they do come in a smaller size. They come in the a medium size for about $3,700 and a Nina smaller for about $3,300. Now, the last bag that I have on this list is the Louis Vuitton On The Go bag. This bag has retained 106% of its value. It's only second to the Neverfull in the Louis Vuitton stable. So that one is actually worth your dollars as well. It's priced at about $3,100. So those are the 7 bags that I found that really retain their value. So just to go down the list, you have the Jackie from Gucci. You have the Chanel Classic Flap. You have the Margot from The Row. You also have the Loewe Puzzle Tote and Standard Puzzle Bags. You have the Fendi Baguette, the Celine Neo, and the On The Go from Louis Vuitton. So, what do you think about those bags? Do you have one in your collection? Are you now interested in getting one so you can have that investment piece? So, hit me down in the comments and let me know which one of these bags you're most interested in. I love interacting with you all, and just click on like and subscribe because it helps me to grow the channel. And until the next time, you guys take care of yourself, okay? And peace.